Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to send photo in TikTok message on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open TikTok on your device. Then go to DM section and see to whom you want to send a photo. You can also search for a person over here. Now tap on Messages. Here tap on Photo icon. Now send it. As you can see, this is not sent. This is because this person is not following you on TikTok. You can share photos to only those who are following you. Now, for example, let's send a photo to any person who is following you. Now, as you can see, it is sent successfully. This is how you can send photos on TikTok. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.